Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing how to get chubby cheeks. Having plump, full cheeks can enhance your facial features and give you a more youthful appearance. While genetics play a big role in the shape and size of your face, there are some things you can do to plump up your cheeks and give them more volume. First and foremost, focus on your diet. Incorporating healthy, nutrient-rich foods into your diet can help you gain weight and improve the appearance of your cheeks. Foods like fish, nuts, avocados, and dairy products are great for adding volume to your face. Next, hydration is key. Drinking plenty of water every day can help plump up your skin, including your cheeks. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day. In terms of exercise, there are specific facial exercises that can help you tone and strengthen the muscles in your cheeks. One example is the fish face exercise, where you suck in your cheeks and hold a position for 10.15 seconds. Repeat this exercise several times a day to help build up the muscles in your cheeks. Another option is to try facial massage. Gently massaging your cheeks in upward motions can help stimulate blood flow and improve the appearance of your cheeks. If you're looking for a more immediate solution, you can try using cosmetic products like cheek fillers or facial contouring products. However, it's important to keep in mind that these solutions are temporary and can have side effects, so it's best to consult with a dermatologist or cosmetic specialist before trying them. Getting chubby cheeks is a combination of diet, exercise, and hydration. By incorporating these tips into your routine, you can improve the appearance of your cheeks and enhance your facial features. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content.